To review another AI software which is a newly launched and which is a very interesting software for the kids or school owner, the person who is running school, and uh, this software help them to build extra revenue with the help of AI Kids Learning Game Builder. So, world first AI that builds, launch, run a complete kids learning gaming platform for 25/7 powered by smart AI game generation. Launch your own education gaming empire, not just single app. So uh, you can create gaming app or gaming playing kind of this game. You can create with the help of AI kids learning game builder. So this will help you to build a game for the kids. If you are a school owner or teacher, you can run this kind of the business and you can make extra money. So AI build learning game platform launch 40 plus educational game, not just one app. You can launch 40 plus game app. AI builds every game for you. Maths, word, puzzle, science, IQ, and history done automatically. Branded done for you is school. Branded for you for your school or brand. So your name, your logo, and color, everything you can change as per your school, as per your requirement, and you can make it your own software. Built-in payment gateway, charge parent to school and collect money directly from them. One-click game generation. Pick a topic, AI build complete playable learning game. Just you have to provide a simple prompt. This AI will build the complete learning game. Age smart difficulty. Game auto adjust for the different age and skill level. Parent teacher dashboard track score progress and learning automatically. Fun, colorful, kids safe design, engaging visual. Kids love parents and trust. Multi language support. This AI tool 30 plus AI 30 plus language support. Work on any device, phone, tablet, laptop is in you can play in any one device. Unlimited game and student, no cap on a game and created a knowledge student. So you can access multiple you can access multiple time lifetime access. Pay one time and access for lifetime, no monthly fees. Future game updates is automatically added in your subscription. Commercial license included. Sell access to the school, tutor, and parents. Keep 100% profit. Beginner friendly, no tech skill required. Just launch, profit, publish, and profit. So this is a very simple AI tool which help you to build this AI. This I help you to build a game for the kids, and you can charge them, or you know you can sell the school. If you are a school owner, then you can sell to the kids parents, and you can charge them from directly from their parents. Launch 40 plus educational game built by AI, branded to you. So this kind of the game you can build with the help of this AI tool. This is one of the best tool for the kids learning. If you are running tuition, and if you are running school, this AI AI learning game builder help you to earn more extra money from your home. So this is a dashboard, teacher parent dashboard, all in one platform. So this is some of the feature of this, and some of the screenshot added there by this vendor. So this is the 14.95 cent this front end price, and there is some upsell as well. If you upgrade, if you like this AI game builder, then you can also upgrade for the further, but there is front end price is $15, that is a 14.95 cent, with the honey 100% 30-day money back guarantee. So this is one of the AI builder I have seen. This is a demo video you have to watch, and you can watch this demo video how this software help you to build AI games. So you can build educational game with the help of this tool. And this is one of the best software from my perspective. And you have to you will get this all this all this benefit, or all this access of the all this software when you purchase today. Go and then go, if you want to purchase, go to the first link in description, and check out the from my provided link, that is my affiliate link. And purchase it. And after purchase, please, you will get some bonuses from my end. We added some bonuses in my affiliate link. After purchasing, the you will get access the bonuses as well, from vendor side, from my side. So that's my review for this AI kids learning game builder. And you can build any interesting kind of the game with the help of AI kids learning game builder. That's my review for this software. See you in the next video.